Android Studio. 5. Add images to your Android app. 1. Set up your app. In this task, you need to download an image from and add it to your Happy Birthday app. 1. In Android Studio, click View, Tool Windows, Resource Manager in the menu. Or click the Resource Manager tab on the left side of the project window. 2. Click plus on the top of Resource Manager, and then select Import Drawables. This will open a file browser. 3. Find the image file you downloaded in the file browser and click Open. Click Next. Android Studio shows you a preview of the image. 4. Click Import. If the image is successfully imported, Android Studio will add the image to your drawable list. This list includes all images and icons of the application. You can now use this image in your application. 5. Switch back to the project view by clicking View, Tool Windows, Project in the menu, or the Project tab on the far left. 6. Confirm that the image is in the drawable folder of your application by expanding App, Res. 2. Add an image view. 1. Add an image view and set its image. A. Open Activity main.xml in the project window.
Tip: if you don't see the layout editor, please click the Design Mode button in the upper right corner.
B. In Layout Editor, go to Palette, and drag Image View to your application. Select Pick a resource to open it. This dialog box lists all the image resources available to your application. C. Find the Kick image in the drawable list of the Pick a resource dialog box. Click the image, and then click OK. This will add the image to your application, but it may not be in the correct location and not filling the screen. 2. Position and size the image view. A. Click and drag the image view in the layout editor. B. Put down the image view and align the left and right edges with a pink rectangle. Views in Constraint Layout need to have horizontal and vertical constraints to tell Constraint Layout how to position them. 3. Add constraints. A. Hover the pointer over the circle at the top of the image view outline. This circle will be highlighted together with another circle. B. Drag the circle to the top of the app screen. When you drag, the arrow will connect the circle to your pointer. Drag until it snaps to the top of the screen. C. Add a constraint from the bottom of the image view to the bottom of the constraint layout. D. In the Attributes pane, use Constraint Widget to add zero margins on the left and right sides. This will automatically create constraints in that direction. 4. Let the image fill the screen. A. Under Constraint Widget in the Constraint section, set Layout Width to 0 dp, matching constraints. B. Set Layout Height to 0 dp, matching constraint. C. Set the scale type to center crop, because this can make the image fill the screen without distortion. The cake image should now fill the entire screen as shown. 3. Move the image view behind the text. A. In the component tree, click Image View, and drag it above Text Views to directly above Constraint Layout. A blue line with a triangle appears, showing where the image view is going. B. Place the image view directly below the Constraint Layout. Image View should now be the first in the list below Constraint Layout, followed by Text Views. The text Happy Birthday, Mary, and From John should now be visible.